The unlikely savior came in the form of string theory.
And a paper out in Nature is about nature's hidden blueprint, how physical networks follow string theory mathematics. Biological networks, from brains to blood vessels, violate simple wiring rules
Yeah.
and instead follow complex surface minimization patterns predicted by string theory.
Yeah.
Really good at predictions. This one's out of Rensselaer Polytechnic.
It's really cool because it's not just the brain and vasculature, it's all over biology. If you look at like mycelia and fungal networks, this has something to say about that. If you look at how trees branch out into patterns, this has something to say about that. It's all over the news because, string theory has kind of a bad rep, given that it doesn't predict anything, at least in terms of the fundamental physics that it promised to predict. But it's kind of cool that, this mathematical physics approach is now being used for biological problems. And one of the reasons why I really loved this story is I'm a biophysicist by training. And there's so many examples of the mathematics of physics being applied to biology. If you look at Hopfield networks and associative memory in the brain, that uses the mathematics of Ising models that was being developed to describe magnetization. Or if you look at the renormalization group, which is being used for phase transitions or deep quantum field theory, that's being used to describe the starling flocks and how they do murmurations in the sky. So it's one of these really cool examples of how mathematical physics research for something totally different can be applied to biology. And we're just discovering how life is so clever. We've been trying to figure out the mathematics behind how these physical networks branch out. And